Recently, I had my first failure with a Milwaukee tool. It was this ratchet. And it'll work sometimes, but as you see there, it kind of stops and nuts. And I've had this for a couple of years, so it was time to get a new one. So I bought myself the M12 Feul version of this ratchet, which is supposed to be faster and stronger. And since I had so much luck with this one, I went ahead and splurged to get the other one. We're going to unbox it. Standard literature in there, you know, new tool circular. Won't be needing any of that. Feels pretty much the same as the other in my hand. Definitely sounds faster. There's the battery meter on that one. Both full batteries. But again, this one, you notice the head is barely turning, or not at all. You know, it's just getting wore out. You can buy replacement parts for these on ereplacements.com, I believe. So I'm going to buy the stuff and rebuild the head of it in another video, but I need my ratchet. And this one's a little stronger, so. But that's it. Milwaukee M12 Feul 3/8 drive high-speed ratchet.